Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. The idiom that we are going to discuss today is beat the clock. Beat the clock. No, you don't have to beat any clock. This idiom, beat the clock, means to do a task or to finish a task before the deadline or before the time is up. When you finish a task before the assigned time, you are beating the clock. This idiom comes from various sports and events where the contestants compete with each other with a certain time limit. So it is there from where this idiom has been originated. Now, how to use beat the clock in sentences? Although she was late to the examination, she managed to beat the clock and finish her papers 10 minutes before the exam got over. She beat the clock and she finished her paper before the deadline or before the exact given time. Children, hurry up. You need to beat the clock. This is when you want the children to do the task before time. You can just hurry them up by saying, "Come on, beat the clock." For the ongoing project, the boss expects his employees to beat the clock. The boss expects his employees to finish the project before the given deadline. They managed to beat the clock and arrive a few minutes before the conference started. They arrived just before the conference started. So what did they do? They beat the clock. Anisha beat the clock, arriving a few minutes before the doors were closed. She arrived just before the doors were closed. So what did she do? She beat the clock. So here you have got a new idiom. Now quickly frame your sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with a new idiom. Till then, take care, bye-bye. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.